Your voices cannot defeat me!
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя. Горят воспоминания.
I'm sorry for everything.
No, I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.